Hello everyone, my name is Manuel Gadi. I'll be your supervisor for the Innovation Engineering Project 2. As the name stands for, Innovation Engineering Project uses the methodology from ECLAC that you already encountered in the technology course, but with a small little details. First one is that this course is individual, so the project is individual and it's a continuation of Innovation Engineering Project 1 with a small detail. You can turn in other ideas if you don't want to continue with the same idea of the previous year, so you can restart and do another one. Remember, the idea of the Innovation Engineering Project is that you end up when you get to the fourth year, you end up with a capstone already done, pretty much. So everything is just pretty much just writing about it, because the whole research or development has already been taken care during the years of the project. Right. How this Innovation Engineering Project 2 is gonna work is exactly. So all sessions are asynchronous. Most of them are on Mondays, but you have the start and the deadline for the task. So Monday you start something that is turning your ideas, and it ends on the Friday that week. How I like you to do it. I like to use the Agile methodology. So when you're doing this, so you visit, every one of you will receive a link for a specific Google Spreadsheet that I'm going to share specifically with you, with your name on it. And what I want is that you cut Ctrl X or Command X and paste the task to doing. So when you start doing it, you put it in doing, and when it's complete, you say done. And if the task required you any research, so you put the references here. Oh, I've used this reading, so you leave it there. If you had any difficulties or anything, leave it a comment, and then you deliver a link to the final deliverable. Or the final deliverable in here is just 3 ideas, one or your idea, so you just write here. No big deal. But in some, I will say, oh, please research about your data that you're going to use for this for this Innovation Engineering Project 2, and otherwise create a synthetic data using ChatGPT and using this code here as an example. This is the second task. So what I want here is the link for a Google Drive where I can go and get your data to have a look with your data. And I'm going to get back to do here. And every Monday and Wednesday from 1 to 1:30, I'll be connected to this Google Meet if you want to do a one-to-one. It's mandatory that you do at least one-to-one before the 11th of March. So you have a lot of options, but just is first come, first served. So please come any Monday or Wednesday if you want to discuss your project. It's better if you discuss it at early stage than later, but it's mandatory that you do one at least by the 11th of March. And then all the tasks will be already here. You can go and do some in advance if you have time, but well, the idea is that you do them here as they appear. So you have everything, so you got it how it works. So you move it to doing, done, put some references, comments, and the final deliverable. The final deliverable can be a text, or can be a link to a video, or to whatever is the deliverable. And then you put it in Google Drive and put the link here. Now we're not going to be using Google Blackboard too much, because Blackboard doesn't allow me to do much of the agile thing and see everything in one place. So here is you work on your data. Here you explain me your idea in 3 minutes, and then we start doing other things, and you work on and then you're going to see the NABC that you saw in technology and the low-tech demo, and some similarities with the ECLAC, because the Innovation Engineering Project follows the same methodology, the ECLAC, our Dean's methodology. So that's why we got the same low-tech demo, but remember, this is individual project. So I hope you enjoy. It will be a pleasure to be your guide in this cool journey for your Innovation Engineering project. Thank you so much. It's Manuel Gadi. By the way, my email is mfalonso, it's on the syllabus, faculty.ie.edu if you need anything.